welcome back to my channel EnglishVinglish with Manpreet, and I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about some common English expressions with make that we use in our daily life. So without further ado, let's get started. So first expression with make is to make sense. Now this expression is commonly used when we are giving an advice, a piece of advice, or we are recommending someone something and the other person is also positively accepting the advice or recommendation given by us. For example, do not forget to take your laundry while going to your work with your car, as in this way you can save your... Okay, so next one is to make it easy for. Now this expression can be used when the other person is giving me an opinion, a piece of advice or recommendation. That is when I can use this expression. For example, the schools have made it easy for the students as all the homework is uploaded on the web page, so it makes easy for them to access it anywhere, anytime and any part of the world. Now third one is to make a difference. So this expression is a feeling which is used whether you're contributing, whether you're making a change or not. So it can be used both positively and negatively. For example, when we say it hardly makes a difference. So that is when we use the expression. Now for example, it doesn't matter, it doesn't make a difference if you tell them or you don't tell them. You still are going to be marked absent for not appearing in the examination. Our next expression is to make point of. This expression is used when you are trying to emphasize on a situation, when you're trying to make it an important part or an important point in your life. For example, I now live in Spain and my sister lives in America, but I do make a point of calling her every year on her birthday. The last one is make or break. So you can yourself understand with the expression. It means that, it depends on the situation. It depends whether it is going to be, it is going to be successful or it is going to be a failure with the course of time. For example, he was going through a serious illness. The doctor thought that in the coming days, it will either make or break. I hope my video was interesting and helpful to you and you have learned a lot of common expressions in today's video. So do not forget to like my video, do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel. There is also a bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video, and also do not forget to follow my Instagram channel where I share a lot of reels, videos, a lot of posts, a lot of tips and tricks. So I'll make sure to share the link in the description box. Now I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.